Hey, everybody. It's CC Jim. The CC stands for Cannabis Connoisseur. My close friends in the grow community call me a weed snob, but I want to share the top 5 reasons of why I grow at home. Number one is because I need it, and functionality. I have 2 of the 21 prescribed diagnoses for medical marijuana in Ohio, both Tourette's syndrome and ulcerative colitis. I've been battling Tourette's since I was 5 or 6 years old. I never had verbal tics where I yelled underpants or cuss words, in public, but I have motor tics. I tried to hide them as a kid. I was prescribed medications, but the medications just drugged me down, literally, and there were a lot of long-term side effects. When I tried marijuana, it was amazing. For the first time in my life, my body relaxed. My tics subsided for a couple hours. I didn't bite my fingernails or try to find ways to release the energy that was constantly building up in my system. I was calm for me anyway. Cannabis changed my life. In 2010, I developed a hereditary condition, ulcerative colitis. Thank heaven for marijuana. I can treat UC without steroids or drugs, without serious side effects, and I've avoided the need for a colostomy, unlike my father and my grandfather, who both passed with them. I can't imagine living most of my life drugged up with pharmaceuticals and dealing with all the side effects later in life. I've had a very successful career, and I doubt that would have happened without the benefits of medical marijuana. The second reason I grow my own pot: affordability. I need 3 ounces a month of high quality bud, not shake, not ditchweed, not mids. But in Ohio, that's $250, sometimes $300 an ounce before taxes. I was spending $10,000 a year, maybe more, just to maintain functionality. And it'd be worth it if there was no other alternative, but there is. I now grow in my own home for $25, $26 an ounce. And the quality is superior to anything I found in dispensaries, and I travel nationally. The days of rationing my supply to make it last a little longer, or not being able to afford to share my top shelf, weed with my friends, no longer a concern. At 26 bucks an ounce, I can use as much as I need and not worry about the cost. And I've got half of what I grow that I can give away to friends and family over 21. Growing in my basement worked out so well for me. My partner Jack and I started Quantum Pot Grow to share these systems and techniques with everyone. He's a true cannabis connoisseur. CC Jack, that's where it came from, has decades of growing experience. He visited my grow room a couple times a week to make sure everything was going right. Seriously, I doubt if I'd have had, succeeded or had such a spectacular first crop without his expertise in the room with me. There's a lot to know, a lot to remember, and a lot to get right. That's why we cloned CC Jack as an AI assistant we call Q.
I am Q, the AI assistant for Quantum Pot Grow. I am on call in the plant clinic and know the entire QPG system. When you have even the hint of a problem, you don't guess. You come to the plant clinic. You upload your photos and describe the issue. I use diagnostic algorithms to analyze your plant's health, identify any problem, and offer real-time solutions. I am your 24/7 on-call expert, ensuring the QPG system works for you every single day.
The expert in the room, Q, has a plant clinic where you can upload photographs of your plants to be examined pixel by pixel to determine if there's any nutritional, environmental, or pest-related problems. Then you'll be given specific, explicit instructions on what to do about it. We charge $99 for a full year's access to the course instructions, video library, the 24/7 plant clinic, and access to Q. The QPG system is foolproof, and we have a 100% money-back guarantee of your success in your very first crop. The third reason I grow my own weed is CC Jack. He's a brilliant mathematician, and to him, growing pot is truly a math and science project. He completely understands the biology of the plant and the chemistry of the isomers. His nutrient regimen develops buds that are rock hard with resin and coated with so many trichomes, it looks like a blizzard hit him. Just as importantly, Jack was able to explain why dispensary weed helped me, but not as much as it should have. It comes down to terpenes, or the lack of them. Terpenes are the most volatile substance in the cannabis plant and can be easily destroyed by pesticides, flash drying, quick and effective, ineffective curing, which is exactly what happens within commercial pot operations. Widely recognized research shows that the psychoactive effects of cannabis require the entire chemical profile of the flower, not just the THC. This is known as the entourage effect. Without the terpenes, the psychoactive effects are greatly diminished. And it's the psychoactive effects that help calm my mind, my body, and allow me to function on a daily basis. Jack will testify. I'm much different now than I was when he met me. We were able to dial in the strains and the quality that helped me. The fourth reason I grow my own pot is it's the most rewarding hobby in the world. And it turned out to be a lot easier than I ever thought. Seriously, what other hobby gives you the pleasure of growing beautiful flowers, improves your health, and saves thousands of dollars each year? Hobby Lobby's got nothing on Quantum Pot Grow. The final reason I grow my own pot is it makes my friends happy. I can legally grow way more than the 36 ounces I need each year, so I can legally give away half of my harvest to my friends 21 and older. This October, we're going to host our third annual harvest party, a huge bonfire where we sample what the year produced. It gets bigger and bigger every year as our circle of growers and friends continues to grow. Please go to Quantum Pot Grow, learn more, sign up, be successful, save money, control your future. If you found value here, please like and subscribe. If you need more daily interruptions, you can smash that alert bell, but we recommend you just come back time to time as we're uploading new videos every week. Thanks for your time. Enjoy your day.